We live in times of advanced technologies, where it is extremely easy to communicate with people all over the world and internet. Smartphones, radio, television are part of our daily lives. However, the above does not apply to the electrical energy. Electrical power plants, overhead lines and cable lines, high-voltage transformer stations, and many other elements of technical infrastructure are required in order to ensure electricity is delivered to the consumers. We live in Bulgaria. This is a country with uniquely beautiful and still unspoiled nature. A country which is particularly suitable for organic farming. A country with beautiful mountains and forests that are attractive destinations for holidays and trips. The main reason for organic farming and ecotourism not to develop is the lack of infrastructure for supplying electricity to these areas. And modern life without electricity is practically impossible. The modern people need communications like internet, television, phones, they also need refrigerators to store products, and a bunch of other devices which require electricity. But alas, there is no electricity in these areas. We are two friends working as electrical engineers. We own a small company that deals with construction of electrical installations and automation of electrical devices and systems. We also produce small electrical equipment such as control panels, chandeliers and other lighting fixtures. We have created our own project for construction of non-volatile house in one of these areas in Bulgaria. The energy independence will be achieved by building a small power plant that will combine several systems producing electricity from renewable sources. We will use small wind turbines, solar panels and biogas generators that produce electricity from organic waste. The day-to-day operations and management will be achieved through smart home system that will monitor all electrical processes in the greenhouse or small eco-farm. This is a revolutionary project for our country. The house will be like a small piece of paradise with no harmful emissions, no garbage. The energy will be free of charge and generated in an amazing place.